Okay.
Yeah, alright.
Text me once you've actually left my house, okay? Right, love you, bye.
Love you, have a good day.
Bye.
Bye. Alright then guys, welcome back to another video. It is Saturday morning. Just dropped the girlfriend off at work. It's only like 8 o'clock. And today we're actually taking the about 100-mile drive north to Manchester. For a number of reasons. I'll get into that in a little while though. I've got to go to the girlfriend's house now just to drop a bag of her night bag off, which she takes to my house when she sleeps at mine. So let's go and do that, and then let's get on the road and head to Manchester. So we are on the way to Manchester now. We are on the road now. The reason I'm actually heading to Manchester, I don't know if you guys watched my previous video or not, but I basically explained how I wanted to get a new key made up. So in the previous video, I actually got the key blade cut, and I've got all the buttons and the immobilizer chip and all the rest of it. Now it's just a case of now getting it programmed to the car, which I could probably do that myself using a program called Opcom. But this guy that I've been speaking to, who actually found off the Corsa C Facebook group, said he's done it loads of times and he don't mind doing it for me. So I thought I'd just let someone who has some experience with it do it, and saves me messing around, you know, scratching my head and potentially, you know, ruining the key. Now I'm not just going up there to get my key. That's the excuse that I'm using though. I'm actually going up there because I've got a friend, Jack. Watching this, hello. He's actually opened up his own gym, which is epic. It's like close to Wigan. It's in between like Manchester and Wigan, I think. And yeah, I've been meaning to go up there, like just to check it out. It's just like so amazing how he's literally opened up his own premises. Like that's something that I would dream of doing. Obviously, you know, if any of you guys know, a couple of years ago I was kind of going through the process of setting up my own gym, but if anything, that's going to be something that I'll look to do in the future now. But this guy has obviously already done it, so it's amazing. Like, I can't wait to go and check it out. And then I'll be meeting up with my friend Daniel Jones as well, or Mr. DJ Fitness as I like to call him. And yeah, we'll be getting a good workout in, and you know, go for some food and just catch up and all that stuff. So yeah, should be a good day. It's only like 8 o'clock now. Obviously just got the girlfriend off at work, and yeah, we're on the road. I'm gonna be like MPG whoring today because well, I mean, it's on the M6, it's pretty much like 50 mile an hour roadworks for pretty much the entire way. So I'm just gonna stick it to like 50, and let's see what kind of MPG we can get. I mean, we should be getting 60 to 70 MPG, I would have thought, because obviously this is only a 1.3 diesel. So I'll put 30 quid in, £30 diesel. So if we can get like 300 miles out of that, I'll be over the moon. It's like 100 miles there, 100 miles back, but I'll probably be doing some driving in, you know, in between. So we'll see how we get on anyway. I'm gonna stop waffling, and we'll see you guys when we go to get my key done. And just want to say I do apologise about all the shakiness and whatever. This camera's actually on like a tripod on the dashboard. I haven't got like a fancy gimbal setup where I can just mount it to the windscreen and that, but we're making use of what we got anyway. Like I said, I'll see you guys when we're in Manchester. Okay, so about 20 miles away now. Just had to get a quick pit stop before I just pee myself. Let's get back on the road.
Menus on here are horrible. All the menus look the same.
Okay then guys, so I actually finished at Stuart's house, the guy who was doing the key for me, and it didn't go to plan. It didn't go according to plan. So basically, like I said, I had the original key, you know, just the original spare key. That's the only key that I had, and now I have another flip key with buttons on. Now the flip key actually works now, but essentially it was going to be so that I could still use both. But the new transponder chip that I bought to go in the flip key ended up not working. It just said invalid on the software, so I couldn't use that. So I had to take the old transponder chip out of my old key, you know, out of the key that was working, and put that into the new flip key. And now the flip key works, but obviously it means that I haven't got a spare key now. So essentially I need to buy a new transponder chip and then make another trip up here sometime in the future and get that linked to the spare key now. So I'm glad that you know, I have the flip key working. I have buttons to lock and unlock the doors and whatever else, so that's the main thing. But obviously I want to have a spare key now, so I need to get a new transponder chip. We're actually on the way now to meet Daniel at Jack's gym, which is pretty close by to Wigan, but I haven't eaten anything like since this morning when I woke up like 7:30. Like all I had then was like some Weetabix. It's almost 2 o'clock now, so I need to try and find somewhere to eat, and then we're going to get into the gym and have a good gym session. So I'll see you when we're there.
You don't want problems. You better win it.
Okay, so workout done. Just going into Nando's now. Cheers, mate.
15 minutes.
Cheers, mate.
15 minutes.
Alright then guys, so obviously we finished the gym, went into Nando's, didn't film what I got. I just had like half a chicken, chips and a corn. Nice meal. Best thing about you know, this afternoon was meeting up with Jack and Dan. Like we haven't seen each other for honestly like a couple of years, so just good to, you know, catch up and whatever else. And I will be coming up again in a couple of months time, probably sometime in April when I'm back from the USA. But the key that I got done from Stuart earlier on, so obviously this is it. It is fully made now. It does have, I've just locked the doors. It does have, you know, fully functioning buttons and everything else, so that's good. I can, you know, don't have to struggle like trying to open my boot and my doors with just by putting it in the lock and doing it manually. I can obviously just press the buttons now. But let's have a look if I can find it. So here's my original key, and I just need to buy a new immobilizer chip. And why did the door just? There we go. So you need to buy a new immobilizer chip, put it in here, and then get that immobilizer chip programmed to the car, learnt to the car. And so I'll be making the trip up again, so Stuart can do that. Then I'll be meeting up with Dan and Jack again, so that'll be good. I've got about 2 hour drive back now. I'm not too sure what I'm going to do, if I'm going to just listen to the radio, listen to a podcast, I don't really know. But yeah, why does it keep doing that? Am I I think I might be pressing the button by accident, but it keeps locking itself. So yeah, I'll probably catch up with you guys when I get home, and I don't know, we'll probably wrap the video up shortly after, but yeah, see you guys when I'm home. Alright then guys, so yeah, so got back home kind of, well, went to the girlfriend's house, just picked her up, heading back to mine. I don't know if anyone else feels the same, but like, if you drive on the motorway when it's like dark, does anyone else just get like so tired? I don't know if it's just the fact that you're just literally on the same straight road and there's nothing to like keep your mind sort of like occupied, like to keep it active and, you know, guessing and whatever else, or if it's just, I don't know what it is, or if it's just the fact that everything's so dark, I don't know, but I honestly get so knackered when I'm just driving on the motorway. I hate it. Yeah, I'm back now, I'm gonna sleep well tonight. Yeah, I'm just gonna end this video here because otherwise it's just gonna be filled of like 10 extra minutes of me waffling. We're gonna go back, I'm gonna eat some more food. We're gonna have an early night, aren't we? Watch some Netflix and that. So yeah, hope you guys have enjoyed it. I know this vlog's kind of been all over the place, we've done a lot today, but I want to thank you guys for watching. Please give it a like, leave a comment if you enjoyed it, or if you didn't enjoy it, tell me what you didn't enjoy about it. Subscribe if you haven't already done so, and I'll see you in that next video. Peace!